Paper 1, Chapter 2, ninth class, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.5. Third, factorize the following using appropriate identities. Question number 1. So, solution. What is given? 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square is given, isn't it? See here, observe this. 16 means this is 4x into 4x. 4 4 ja 16, x into x square. Next plus this can be 2. A means here 4x. A means here 4x. B means here 9y means this is 3x. Sorry, 3y. 3y. See here, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, x into y, xy. Yes. Plus 3y square, 9y square means 3y into 3y. This becomes a 9y square. So, which identity is useful means here a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b whole square identity is useful here, isn't it? Now this can be written as, that means 4x whole square plus 2 into 4x plus 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Here a is equals to 4x comma b is equals to 3y. Now this can be written in the form like this: a plus b whole square, that means 4x plus 3y whole square. So this is the answer of the given question. Understand all of you which identity is useful here. That means which is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? Now move to next question. Here second one is given like this. Solution. What is given? 4y square minus 4y plus 1, that equals to, this can be written 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 whole square. Means here a is what? 2y and b is what? 1, isn't it? Now which is in the form of, this is a square minus 2a into b plus b square. So this can be written as, a plus a minus b whole square. This is, we know, identity, isn't it? Another form is also there as per the textbook purpose. This is x minus y whole square, that equals to x square minus 2x into y plus y square. As per the textbook purpose, this is the formula, but here only single variable, that is y, that is, it can be as an a form, and another one is a constant term, that is b, given here. So by using like this, this identity is here. So this means this can be written as a means this one, that means 2y minus y, which is in the form of a minus b whole square or x minus y whole square. So minus 1 whole square. Now this can be written as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. So what will happen here, I will tell you. See here, suppose x square is there, isn't it? This entire term assume as an x square. So x square can be written as x into x, isn't it? Yes. So this entire time you can assume x is equals to 2y minus 1. So x square means this can be written as, x square can be written as x into x. That means, see here, x into x. So that's why this 2y minus y into 2y minus 1 can be written like this. Understood? So this is the point is here. Now move to next question. See here in this 4x square minus y square by 25 is given solution. What is given? 4x square minus y square by 25, isn't it? This can be written as 2x whole square minus y by 5 whole square. Are you understood here? Here a is what? 2x comma b is what? Y by 5. So which identity is there? Which identity is there? A square minus b square identity is there. That can be written as a plus b into a minus b, or assume another form. Here x equals to 2x and y equals to y by 5, isn't it? This is also same. This means x square minus y square form. This can be written as x plus y into x minus y identity is useful here. Both are same but assumption is different, isn't it? So now you can take this or this anything. So this can be written as 2x plus y by 5 and 2x minus y by 5. Are you understood? So 25 can be written as 5 into 5, isn't it? 25 can be written as 5 into 5, that is equals to 5 square, isn't it? 5 square. So like that this identity is useful here. Understood all of you? Yes. Now move to next question. See here, what is given solution? 18a square minus 50. See here 18, see 2 nines are 18, isn't it? 2 nines are 18. Then a square minus 2 into 25. 25 2 is 50. Now bring this 2 common. That means this becomes 9a square minus 25, isn't it? Once again see here, assume x equals to 3a, isn't it? Next x square is what? X square is equals to 9a square. Are you understood this point? Yes. Now assume y equals to 5. Now y square is equals to 25. Are you understood this point? Yes. So this can be in the form of x square minus y square. This can be in the form of x square minus y square, that is equals to x plus y into x minus y identity is useful here. Are you understood which formula is useful here? So x square value is this one. See here, x square is equals to 9a square, y square means 25. So now this can be written as that equals to this 2 into x means what? 3a plus y means what? 5. Next into x means what? 3a, which symbol is there? Minus, right? Minus. Y means what? 5. Are you got it? So this side is what? This side is 2 9a square minus 25. This is equals to this. Are you got my point? Yes. Understand all of you? Thank you. If you want more videos, please go through the playlist. More and number of videos will be available in my playlist. And please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you one and all.